All right, so I ended up taking the Uber, using the Uber credits to go actually to South San Jose, pick up some computers that I had to get fixed or for data recovery, and then took the Uber back to Tesla because so the Bluetooth issue, they compared to another Model Y. They said the issue is the same, so they said they were just gonna wait for a software update. I don't think a software update is gonna fix it, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be using the FM thing for the rest of whatever, but we'll see. Sometimes we might be lucky and they might find a way to do that, but I'm kind of doubting it. Anyways, I got extra lucky because I asked them about the 1450 adapter. They had one available, and people are selling these for over $100 right now online. But yeah, like Tesla normally sells them for $45. And that's what they ended up selling it to me for, plus tax, of course, so it was 49 something, about almost $50. So that's what I wanted. I got it. Now I can actually use my charger without using my friend's adapter, and yeah, I think it was worth it. Worst case, if anything, I could sell the adapter, but I want to keep it. So yeah, all right, I'm gonna be heading home. Also, they plugged my car in, so it's charging at the max 48 amps, 240 volts that they have for these smaller chargers, not the superchargers. So I'm actually letting it charge a little bit. But yeah, I'm gonna be heading out soon. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next one. I guess I'll see you when I start driving if I record it. But yeah, all right, bye.